Welcome to another video. We will now check how we can find the area. There are three simple ways, and to find the area we need to have the polygon or rectangle or any closed figure. So the first thing is the property. You just select the object, any object you have, you just select it and you will see the area in the property tab. The property tab can be shown with the PR, and the other way for the area is you just select the object and give the command li list. With this command you will find the area here, area and perimeter. And the third way is we have the AA enter command. Just enter AA and then again A and then again O and then select the object. After the selection, the object will be marked as green, and then you give the space and you have the area. You can also have the multiple polygons, multiple objects, and with the AA command you can find the area. We can have the sum of the total area. You can also hatch it to find the area.